DJI has officially stepped into completely uncharted territory, and the tech world is paying close attention. Known globally for dominating the drone and gimbal industries, DJI has now entered the highly competitive mirrorless camera market for the very first time. This is a space ruled by giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon brands, with decades of experience. So the real question is simple but bold. Can DJI truly challenge these legends on its very first attempt? In this video, we're taking a deep dive into DJI's groundbreaking mirrorless camera and breaking down everything creators need to know, from its design and handling to sensor performance, video capabilities, stabilization technology, and real-world shooting experience. We'll explore what makes this camera different and whether it has what it takes to stand out in an already crowded market. So sit back, subscribe to GadgetVerse, and let's explore DJI's bold new chapter in mirrorless innovation, right out of the box. DJI's ambition is impossible to miss. This camera doesn't feel like a cautious experiment. It feels confident. The magnesium alloy body delivers a premium, professional feel while remaining surprisingly lightweight. DJI is clearly focused on balance and ergonomics, making it comfortable for long shooting sessions. The grip fits naturally in the hand, and the control layout feels intuitive, allowing creators to adjust settings quickly without breaking their creative flow. Autofocus is where this camera truly starts to shine. Powered by advanced AI-driven tracking, the system locks onto subjects with impressive speed and accuracy. Whether you're filming fast-moving athletes, wildlife in motion, or spontaneous moments in challenging lighting, the camera stays locked in. Eye, face, and object detection feel reliable and responsive, giving creators confidence that critical moments won't be missed. Stabilization, of course, is DJI's home turf, and it shows. The in-body image stabilization system offers up to 8 stops of correction, delivering incredibly smooth, natural-looking footage even when shooting handheld. Walking shots, slow pans, and dynamic movement feel cinematic without requiring an external gimbal, which is a huge advantage for Renan. Creators and filmmakers, at the core of the camera is a newly developed full-frame sensor designed for exceptional image quality. Colors appear rich and well-balanced. Dynamic range is impressive, and highlights and shadows retain excellent detail. DJI's refined color science produces natural skin tones and cinematic depth, while high ISO performance remains clean and usable, making this camera a strong performer even in low-light environments. Video is where this camera truly earns its hybrid status. With support for high-resolution recording up to 6K, professional-grade codecs, and both log and raw options, creators have massive flexibility in post-production. Now, footage delivers smooth motion, strong dynamic range, and minimal rolling shutter, making it suitable for everything from YouTube content and documentaries to commercial and cinematic projects. DJI has also clearly prioritized usability and workflow. Fast USB-C charging supports long shooting days, while the optimized battery system allows extended recording without constant interruptions. The accessory ecosystem feels thoughtfully designed, offering modular grips, filter kits, EVF options, and seamless compatibility with DJI's Ronin gimbals. Everything works together smoothly, creating a flexible setup that adapts to different shooting styles. Overall, DJI's first mirrorless camera is an incredibly strong debut. It combines excellent image quality, fast and reliable autofocus, class-leading stabilization, and powerful video features into a single, creator-focused tool. This isn't just a camera, it's DJI's statement that they belong in the mirrorless world. DJI's entry into this market feels like a natural evolution for a brand. It's built on innovation and cinematic technology. And while this is only their first step, it's a step that already places them shoulder to shoulder with some of the biggest names in the industry. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more creator-focused tech content. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next one.